What if the wind turbine you're planning to buy is actually one of the worst investments you could make in 2026? With dozens of vertical wind turbines flooding the market, separating genuine performers from overhyped disappointments has never been more difficult. Some models can generate impressive power, even in low wind conditions, while others fail to deliver anywhere near their advertised output. In today's video, we're counting down the only 5 vertical wind turbines that are truly worth your money this year. Be sure to stick around until the end, because the number 1 pick outperformed every expectation. For pricing and availability, check the links in the description below. Number 5. Wind Gusto VAWT-GD-4 kilowatts. The Wind Gusto wind turbine is a powerful, efficient, and durable vertical axis wind turbine designed to provide reliable, renewable energy for a wide range of applications. With a maximum power generation capacity of up to 4 kilowatts, it is suitable for residential properties, farms, small businesses, and off-grid energy systems. Its advanced vertical axis design enables it to capture wind from any direction, eliminating the need for complex wind tracking mechanisms and ensuring consistent energy production in varying wind conditions. One of the key advantages of the Wind Gusto VAWT-GD-4 kilowatt is its ease of installation. The turbine is engineered with a user-friendly structure that simplifies setup and reduces installation time and costs. This makes it an attractive option for both new renewable energy projects and existing power systems looking to integrate sustainable energy solutions. The turbine features a unique aerodynamic design that helps minimize noise and vibration during operation, ensuring smooth and quiet performance. This makes it suitable for installation in residential and urban environments where low noise levels are important. Additionally, the blades are manufactured from a strong and durable composite material that provides excellent resistance to weather, wear, and environmental stress. To ensure long-term reliability and customer confidence, the Wind Gusto VAWT-GD-4 kilowatt comes with an impressive 10-year warranty covering both the blades and the generator, highlighting its quality and durability. Number 4. Happy Buy 400-watt VAWT. The Happy Buy 400-watt VAWT is a high-quality and reliable vertical axis wind turbine designed to provide clean and renewable energy for small-scale applications. With a power generation capacity of up to 400 watts, it is well suited for homes, cabins, boats, RVs, remote locations, and other off-grid power systems. Its vertical axis design allows it to efficiently capture wind from multiple directions without requiring complex tracking systems, making it practical and user-friendly. One of the main advantages of the Happy Buy 400-watt VAWT is its easy installation process. The turbine is designed with simplicity in mind, allowing users to set it up quickly with minimal technical expertise. Its innovative blade structure helps improve energy conversion efficiency while maintaining stable operation in different wind conditions. The turbine features a unique design that significantly reduces noise and vibration during operation. This makes it a suitable choice for residential environments and locations where quiet performance is important. In addition, the unit is built with weatherproof materials that protect it from rain, dust, and other environmental factors, ensuring long-term durability and dependable performance. It is capable of withstanding wind speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, providing reliable operation even during challenging weather conditions. For added customer confidence, the Happy Buy 400-watt VAWT comes with an 18-month warranty, offering assurance of product quality and support. Number 3. Tumiya Wind Generator V 6 kilowatts. The Tumiya wind generator is a highly efficient and reliable vertical axis wind turbine designed to provide sustainable and renewable energy for a variety of applications. With a power generation capacity of up to 6 kilowatts, it is suitable for residential properties, farms, small businesses, and off-grid power systems. Its advanced vertical axis design enables it to capture wind energy from any direction, eliminating the need for complex wind tracking mechanisms and ensuring consistent performance. One of the key features of the Turbines wind generator V 6 kilowatts is its ability to operate effectively in low wind speed environments. This makes it an excellent choice for locations where wind conditions are variable or not consistently strong. The turbine's innovative blade design helps maximize energy capture while minimizing energy losses, resulting in improved efficiency and dependable power output. The unique engineering of the turbine also helps reduce noise and vibration during operation, making it suitable for installation near homes, offices, and other noise-sensitive areas. In addition, the turbine is lightweight and designed for easy installation, reducing setup time and maintenance costs. For added peace of mind, Turbines provides a 10-year warranty on the blades and a 2-year warranty on the motor, demonstrating confidence in the product's durability, quality, and long-term performance. Number 2. Suneco VAWT 10 kilowatt wind turbine. The Suneco wind turbine is a reliable and efficient vertical axis wind turbine designed to generate clean, renewable energy for a wide range of applications, including residential, commercial, agricultural, and small industrial use. With a maximum power output of 10 kilowatts, it provides a dependable energy solution while helping reduce reliance on conventional power sources. Its advanced vertical axis design enables the turbine to capture wind from multiple directions without the need for continuous repositioning. This feature improves efficiency in changing wind conditions and ensures consistent power generation. The turbine is also built to withstand wind speeds of up to 90 miles per hour, making it suitable for operation in challenging weather environments. A key feature of the Suneco VAWT 10 kilowatt is its intelligent pitch control system, which automatically adjusts the blade angle according to wind conditions. This system helps maximize energy production while protecting the turbine from excessive wind loads, enhancing both performance and safety. The turbine is engineered for quiet operation thanks to its integrated motor and optimized blade design. Reduced noise levels make it ideal for installations in residential areas and other locations where minimal sound disturbance is important. Durability is another major advantage of the Suneco wind turbine. It features a strong magnesium alloy body with a high-quality anodized coating that offers excellent resistance to corrosion, rust, and environmental wear. This robust construction ensures a long service life, low maintenance requirements, and reliable performance, making it a practical and sustainable renewable energy solution for long-term use. Number 1. UGE V-Air Wind Turbine. The UGE V-Air Wind Turbine is an innovative and efficient renewable energy solution designed to generate electricity even in areas with relatively low wind speeds. One of its most impressive features is its ability to start producing power with wind speeds as low as 4 miles per hour, making it suitable for a wide range of locations where traditional wind turbines may not perform effectively. This capability allows homeowners, businesses, and organizations to take advantage of wind energy and reduce their dependence on conventional power sources. The turbine is designed with ease of installation in mind, allowing users to set it up quickly and efficiently. Its user-friendly design helps reduce installation time and costs, making it an attractive option for those seeking a reliable, renewable energy system. In addition, the UGE V-Air wind turbine comes with a 5-year warranty, providing customers with confidence in the product's durability, quality, and long-term performance. A key advantage of the turbine is its sleek and modern appearance. Unlike many traditional wind turbines, the V-Air is specifically engineered to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. Its unique design not only enhances its visual appeal, but also helps minimize noise and vibration during operation, creating a more comfortable environment for nearby residents and businesses. The turbine is capable of producing up to 10 kilowatts of power under optimal wind conditions, making it suitable for a variety of energy needs. Furthermore, the generator is enclosed within a durable, weatherproof housing that protects critical components from rain, dust, and other environmental factors, ensuring reliable operation and long-lasting performance in different weather conditions. Vertical wind turbines are a great way to generate power from the wind while reducing energy costs. These 5 models are some of the best vertical wind turbines for home use, offering reliable and efficient power output with minimal noise and vibration. Investing in one of these turbines can help reduce your energy bills and provide clean and renewable electricity.